Next, let's install Katago. Step 1. Download Katago. You can find Katago on GitHub by searching for it. Select the Releases section. According to the instructions, choose the appropriate version. If you have already configured the CUDA environment, select the CUDA version, otherwise, choose the OpenCL version if you have a non-NVIDIA GPU. The B29 version can support boards as large as 29 by 29, which is more of a fun feature and not recommended for practical use as it consumes computational resources. Step 2. Download the Katago training weight files. Here, you will see various versions of weight files, with the B followed by 2 digits representing the computation depth. Higher digits indicate deeper calculations, but the speed will be slower. It's essential to note that greater computation depth doesn't necessarily mean stronger performance. Katago's strength is also influenced by its computational speed. For lower performing NVIDIA GPUs and non-NVIDIA GPUs, choose the B18 version. For 30 series and above GPUs, you can select the B40 or B60 version. Again, it's worth emphasizing that any version of Katago is stronger than all human players. After downloading, you should have these files. Step 3. Unzip Katago to a directory of your choice. Place the downloaded training weight files in the same folder as Katago.exe. Then, in this folder, open a command prompt, cmd, and execute this command. Press Enter, and it will prompt you to make some configurations. The first setting is the default rules, and you should choose Chinese rules. Next, it may ask if you want to add additional time rules for reading seconds. It's recommended to keep the default and press Enter. It might also ask if Katago is allowed to think while your opponent is reading. Again, it's suggested to keep the default and press Enter. Then, it will inquire about which computation core Katago should use, and you should select your GPU. The next question will be about setting the upper memory limit for Katago. My memory is 64 GB, for example, I will input 8, then press Enter. After that, the AI engine will run a hardware performance test, automatically generate a configuration file, and complete the process. By following these steps, your Katago environment is now configured and ready to use.